In this AutoCAD tip, we will see how to reposition the UCS to a new coordinate. So to do that, select the original UCS, and then in the command line, type in the command UCS, and now the program will essentially allow you to move it around. Now in the command line here, you're going to type in the new coordinate to the position where you want that UCS to be located at. So in my case here, for example, we're going to move it to 10, 10, and then adjust the x-axis and the y-axis. So let's say that you want to draw a rectangle starting at 0, 0. So type in the command line rectang, and then we're going to start this rectangle at 0, 0. And as you can see, our rectangle now starts here where our new UCS is located. And this is how you reposition your UCS. Thank you for watching.